Okay, we're gonna be demonstrating how to do cover slipping. First, you have to have gloves on, and we're gonna be doing this under the hood because we need good ventilation for the xylene, which is right here. Okay, so we have to get the equipment ready for cover slipping, and we have the mounting media, and we're going to use the cytosil for mounting media. We have the cover glass right there. We have the xylene, and we have the slides in there. We have the slide folder that we're going to be putting the slides after we cover slip. We have the gauze to wipe the bottom of the slide. Okay, and so we're going to start showing you how to cover slip. So we're going to put the mounting media on the cover glass. You can barely see it, but it's on there. So you just put a drop of it, and you take a slide that was in the xylene, and you start cover slipping from the bottom, the liquid from the bottom going up. That way you'll get less bubbles. And so you take it and you wipe the bottom with the gauze. Okay? And then you can put it on the slide folder to dry. And this is another example of cover slipping. You put another drop of mounting media, and you cover slip from the bottom going up. You make sure there are no bubbles on it. Okay, you wipe the bottom. In case there are bubbles, you can pick up a stick and actually press it down gently to take off the bubbles, and then you can just take it and you put it on the slide rack, on the slide folder. Okay, another technique of cover slipping is actually taking this slide, putting the mounting media, which is the cytosil, on it. Then you take the cover glass and do it the same way we did it the first time, from the bottom going up, and then you can go ahead and wipe the bottom with the gauze. You make sure there are no bubbles on the tissue. The bubbles can be on the sides of the tissue, but make sure there are no bubbles on the tissue. And then you go ahead and put it on the slide folder to dry. This is another example of a second technique of cover slipping, where you put the mounting media on the slide, as you can see, and then you take the cover glass. You put it on the slide. Make sure there are no bubbles, to align it so that it covers the tissue, and then wipe the bottom one time with the gauze, and then you can put it on the slide folder. There are some places, most places now use a machine to do the cover slipping, and a few places still do it manually, especially with the frozen section. For the cover glass or for the slide, if there are some that you don't need, or one that is you need to trash, you have to put it in the sharp container box. You don't put it in the trash.